Hi viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the fifth week of fetal development. Now we are entering the second month of conception. The baby is looking more like a tadpole than a human, and the size is like a sesame seed. By now, the formation of brain and spinal cord begin. The fetal heart beats for the first time but is irregular and not felt by the mother as well as by the physician. All the organs of the body start developing, where the outer ectoderm forms the nervous system, eyes, inner ear, and most of the connective tissues. The mesoderm develops into bones, muscles, lungs, intestine, bladder, kidney, and the reproductive organs. The inner endoderm develops into the internal organs. Placenta has finger-like projections which is called as chorionic villi are formed now. The symptoms during this week include nausea and vomiting, where some mothers may present only with nausea and some may present with the both. In some conditions, we have hyperemesis gravidorum which needs medical attention. There is also severe hypersalivation which is called as tyrollism, which is more irritating and disturbing the mother during these weeks. The mother becomes more tired and exhausted day by day as the pregnancy increases. There may be an increased headache and tiredness during these weeks expressed by the mothers. Home care management during this week includes encourage the mother to take small frequent diet as she is complaining of nausea and vomiting. Inform the mother to stay hydrated as she is having severe vomiting. She may go in for dehydration. Mothers can take breakfast or dry crackers in the bed as this decreases the acidity of the mother, which can decrease the vomiting episodes. Ginger tea or ginger with honey can help prevent vomiting. Cumin, fennel seeds, cardamom, and cloves can also decrease the vomiting sensations in mothers. Mint leaves are also good in decreasing the vomiting during pregnancies. Try to avoid caffeine products and fried items during pregnancy as they can aggravate nausea and vomiting. Encourage the mother to take small naps in the daytime and concentrate on the nutritious diet. With this, we complete our fifth week of fetal development. Hope this was interesting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.